In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram email 2025. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Instagram, right? Click on your profile. Click on the edit profile. Click on personal details. Once it has opened up right now, you're going to see lots of other options, right? Just click on this, right? You want to change your Instagram email, right? Okay, sorry. Click on the personal details, I think. Yeah, so you want to change your personal email, right? You want to change your email on Instagram. Just click on this contact info. You're going to see the current email right here, which is my email, right? So click on this, right? Just delete this email. Once you have deleted it, go back, click on this add new contact, right? This is basically how you can change Instagram email in 2025. If you find this really helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you in the very next video.